Today I am going to start chapter 1 from standard 7 as about the online classes to the direction of the CBSE or NCERT. It is clear that online classes is quite necessary for understand about the student of standard 7. So a standard 7 related work will be carried out by the school management with the help of audio and visual aids. Today I am going to start as easy to understand among the student of standard 7 chapter 1 as integrated social science syllabus of standard 7. Chapter 1 history indicate about the when, where and how. Relate to the history indicate the descriptions about the medieval period. About 700 CE to 1800 CE concerned to the development and descriptions as editorial given as chapter 1. So chapter 1 indicate about the matter concerned to the medieval period between 700 CE to 1800 CE. This period indicate about the different type of the development of different medieval dynasty from India like the Palaj, the Pratiharaj, the Rashtrakutas among the North and South India, related to the culture and concerned to the expansion related descriptions given chapter 1. Which indicate about the matter related to the development of the medieval period after the ancient period from standard 6. It is clear that standard 6 indicate about the ancient period before 700. 700 to 1800 indicate about the chapter 1 of the standard 7. And 1800 until modern period related description given as chapter 1 of standard 8 history. So standard 7 history chapter 1 indicate about the development of the Palaj, the Pratiharaj and the Rashtrakutas among the North and South Indian development of the culture and related expansion. New political, social and the cultural system will be emerged with the help of the different type of the style of administration will be developed in India by the different dynasty likely to the Palaj dynasty as about the different king who trying to overcome about the expansion as imperialistic view over the North India as well as the South India. The Pratiharaj and a related king also trying to make new achievement of the culture, social and the political system in India with the help of the architectural style of the development and concern. The Rashtrakutas as also as a medieval period concerned to the dynasty, a related editorial as the introduction also given at chapter 1. So the three kingdoms who emerged during 700 to 1800 CE as the Palaj, the Pratihara and the Rashtrakutas among the North India and the South India related to the development of the culture as a continuous process as well as the expansion of the political system in India. New political, social and cultural development take place in India as rise and fall to the Turk after the three dynasties. The Delhi Sultanate related introduction also given at chapter 1 who indicate about the development of the Delhi Sultanate before Delhi Sultanate as invention of the Turks who came to India and A related fusion of the arts and architectural development take place in India. After that, the introductory descriptions also given at chapter 1 about the Mughal Empire. Those will be started from the Babur and who established the Mughal Empire with the permission of the Delhi Sultanate, and after that who improved the trade and commerce in India. So, art and architectural development also take place during the Mughal period. Fusion of the new and existing tradition also described about the chapter which led to the intermingled culture and the civilization of India as well as the foreigners who came to India, likely to the Turk as well as the Mughals. So, delicious Mughal foods related to the descriptions also given at chapter 1 like paratha, gulab jamun, kebab, biryani, shahi tarka, etc. And something about the wearing dresses. Related descriptions also given as salwar kameez, kurta, pajama, kaftans, etc. All are about the wearing dress and eating habits. Both led to the fusion of Indian civilization and the culture with the help of Mughal and Turk who came to India. Architectural importance and improvement related also facts described as a chapter 1 like Taj Mahal from Agra, Red Fort and the Gol Gumbaz, and concerned other architectural development in North and South India. Related descriptions also given at chapter 1. Birth of the Urdu language, birth of the Persian language with the Sanskrit language in India, also fusion about the linguistic development concerned to the Indian history. Growth of the trade and commerce will be emerged with the help of the foreigners who came to India with the help of emergence of town and city like Hampi, Machilipatnam and others, where the different type of the trade and commerce will be developed by the foreigners who came to India. Next to the topic also given at chapter 1, change of the caste system like development of the tribal community in India related to the birthright of the tribal as a customary rights with their livelihood, tradition, religious facts and other. Something given as descriptions about the tribal community as chapter 1. Next to the religious movement also related descriptions as introductory given as Bhakti movement, Sufism, Sikhism and others, new era of the development concerned to the religious upliftment. Something about also indicate the chapter like regional language as Gujarati, Uriya, Bengali, Assami and others all developed as different region from India. As about the historical sources like traveler's account, likely to the court chronicles, inscriptions and calligraphy indicate about the matter concerned to the development of medieval period as introductory from India. As historical sources like the traveler's account, different foreign travelers who came to India and who also highlight about the matter concerned to the Indian culture and civilization. Something about the king or the dynasty related to the court chronicles and the inscriptions and calligraphy, beautiful writing as manuscript also became as evidence of the medieval period. Changing name of India also indicate about the Vedic period like Aryabhatta as well as the Puranas also indicate about the Bharatvarsham, and the Persian account indicate as the Hindustan and Sanskrit literature led to the Bharat. Indian constitution tell us about India. So different name of India also given as introductory of the chapter. Sources of the history also described as chapter 1, like the literature, literary development, coin, painting, and the inscriptions, as well as the literary sources like manuscripts, books, archival records, and historical accounts, museum, which will be found through the museum and the library. According to the traveler's account, Al-Baruni, Ibn Battuta, and Abdul Razzaq, who describe about the court chronicles as well as the poet, historians, and the mentors of the autobiography and the biography like Babarnama, Humayun-nama, and Jahangir-nama, Akbar-nama, all are about the autobiography, also decided and developed by the different regional kingdom. Regional literature like the Jayadev wrote Geet Govind, Chandabardai wrote Prithviraj Raso. Fusion of the literature also take place in India. Related description also described as about the chapter 1. So, some about the secular and the religious literature concerned to the descriptions also introductory given as chapter like Ramayana, written by Valmiki, Mahabharata, and translated to the regional language. Those will be translated to the regional language, as well as the development of calligraphy, development of decorative writing for the manuscripts, pillars, and tombs will be also given as introductory understanding about standard 7 student. Archival record like the document, royal orders, treaties, court record, and the revenue record also describe at chapter 1 to better understand about the standard 7 student. Archaeological sources like coin, poetry, jewelry, toy, statue, monument, sculptures, and inscriptions related ideas also given as introductory to the chapter 1. So a study of the inscriptions usually called epigraphy. So monument, places of palaces, fort, temples, mosque, and the tomb related to the development concern introduction also given at chapter 1. Purana Kila, Red Fort, Jama Masjid, and the others architectural design also describe the medieval period. Scripts and the language, social and economical condition of the people, as well as the numismatics, a study of the coin related also introduction given at chapter 1. A sculpture and the painting like the figure of the king, queens, god and goddesses. A related introduction also given at chapter 1. Oral tradition like mythology, legends, a story like Prithviraj Raso, Prithviraj Chauhan as Kabir, as well as the Mirabai, and miniature painting, as well as the different type of the Chola sculptures, dancing Shiva, and others things given at chapter 1. So, chapter at a glance, it is clear that all about the matter of the chapter 1 likely to the wane between 700 to 1800 CE, where close to the North and South India, and how with the help of the medieval kingdom like the Palas, the Pratiharaj, the Rashtrakutas, as well as the foreign invasion like the Turk and the Mughal who came to India. Related descriptions of chapter 1 indicate about the matter concerned to the development of medieval period between 700 CE to 1800 CE. Chapter at a glance, something about the matter who describe as different type of the development like the social, political, cultural, administrative and economical development. Related facts also introductory given at chapter 1 as about the fusion of the new culture, new civilization and existing tradition and the culture, as well as all about the architectural development, architectural design and the development of trade and commerce, as well as the development of the language, as about the national as well as the regional, and something about the development during the medieval period between 700 CE to 1800 CE became introductory given at chapter 1. As a consequence, I think the student of standard 7 better understand about the chapter related to the question, when did the medieval period begin? How and where the medieval period became introduced and spread? Something about the contribution of the Palas, the Pratiharaj, the Rashtrakutas with their development, improvement of the administrative system and political system close to the North and South India, development of the culture and expansion, new political, social and cultural improvement, rise and fall of the Turk and Mughal in India, architectural development, fusion of the Indian culture, wearing dresses as a civilization, and eating habits and culture related development, architectural development, growth of the trade and commerce, and the religious movement as well as the regional language concerned to the development, emergence of town and the city, birth of the Urdu language and related descriptions as well as the sources of the history also became as clear for the chapter 1. Thank you. आइए